Here's an unboxing of the Alpha Spirit single edge razor with stand and gift box. It's a beautiful fitted gift box with a magnetic closure. Comes with an Alpha warranty card. Also comes with an Alpha branded cleaning cloth. The razor and stand are fitted comfortably in this fitted cushioned box. Let's remove the razor and let's remove the stand. Stand and razor are made of 316L stainless steel, brushed and passivated. Here's the bottom of the stand, has the Alpha logo with a hole so that water can drip through and not accumulate inside the stand. The razor has beautiful spiral knurling on the handle with a notch that comfortably fits your thumb and forefinger and can drop in the palm while you're shaving. Beautiful satin finish on the head. It has the Alpha logo on the bottom right here. Let's unscrew it. It's a 3-piece razor. This razor will accept many different types of blades. Here is a feather professional blade. Let's install the blade in the razor. Just drops down over the 2 tabs. Install the bar with the Alpha logo facing outward, like so. Reassemble the handle. Here's a look at the blade inside the razor. Alpha tested this razor with these blades: Feather Artist Club, Kai, Pro Shave, and Chic blades. The razor weighs in at 2.2 ounces. The overall length is 4 inches or 102 millimeters. The handle is hollow. Get yours at shavenation.com. Enter SN2835 or Spirit in the search box.